Here's the compilation you've all been waiting for. These are all the times over the last 12 years we've dealt with ignorant drivers at this notorious intersection.
All right, there's no left turn here. See the sign? It says right turn only.
This is a unique intersection that brings out the stupid in people. Before I start showing you all the drama, let me give you a brief explanation of how this intersection works. For any of you that don't know, our direction is right turn only. Our light stays red most of the time and can stay red for 15 minutes or more during the daytime, so making a right on red is the only way to get going without major delays. When our direction does get a green light, it's a green arrow to the right, and cross traffic over here gets a green left arrow at the same time. Our light only gets triggered to turn green when cross traffic over here triggers the set of lights for both directions. But as you're about to see, people either ignore the right turn only and attempt to turn left, or they'll refuse to turn right on red, holding everyone up. And this is the drama that ensues. The person at the front of the line is about to cause the most honking you've ever heard from us. Please excuse the awful pink text we used in our early videos. As seen from a different direction, this driver actually succeeded at making the illegal left turn. Back to the first direction. This driver tries it but gets honked. This one's a little more tenacious. Yep, he actually honked back. This one's not trying to turn left, but doesn't want to turn right on red when it's clear to go. This one is trying to turn left and gets lots of horn. And sometimes they'll get a line of traffic behind the idiot and nobody honks at the fool. Other times, the idiot figures it out on their own. But these aren't the only issues here. Once in a while, someone really runs the red light from the other direction. Good thing this guy was paying attention. This guy gets yelled at and honked for not turning right on red when it's clear to go.
He's just sitting on a right on red.
Another idiot trying to turn left. After a pathetic honk, traffic piles up behind this moron. No one's really honking, so I threw in a honk to help get things moving. The moron comes to his or her senses. This idiot holds up traffic and successfully makes the illegal left.
Stupid fucker.
This one refusing to turn right on red gets honked by multiple people.
Wow. Well, that was good.
This lady has run her red arrow and cuts off 2 drivers when she makes an illegal U-turn. And another left turner. Once again, please excuse the ugly pink text we used to use. The guy at the front of the line keeps missing chances to turn right on red when it's clear to turn. Same intersection from a different direction, and once again, an idiot trying to turn left. We get our green left arrow, and he figures out what a green right arrow means.
Again. And there's one from Top. Keep going. Dumbass. Oh, stupid.
And these cyclists ran their red light when the Prius had the green light. This idiot is particularly frustrating. He never takes the hint. He sat through an entire green light cycle. And when it goes green again, he cuts off cross traffic with their green left arrow.
Wow. He was determined to make that left.
And why block a driveway to drop someone off when there's room in front and behind where you wouldn't be in anyone's way? This lady is downright dangerous. She busts an illegal U-turn and almost causes a crash. This one hesitates too much at her green light and gets honked. This one gets honked for not turning right on red.
Wow, that was crazy.
We got a new face for the sport in the post-Tiger Woods era. Speed stunning win at the U.S. Open yesterday featured some incredible dramatics with the final 2 holes of action. Both Speed and Dustin Johnson.
There, you got the message.
877-321-0739. 613 mark the elbow. Giving city residents a chance to earn this money. Diabetics are now receiving information that often remains hidden from the diabetic community. Because of this, many type 2 diabetics have been able to reduce and eliminate
He's doing exactly.
Call 1-800-406-5554. Seating is extremely limited, so call you're qualified to attend. That's 1-800-406-5554.
Oh my God, just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go.
Are you 18 years old?
Just go.
Sure, just block the driveway. This cyclist is just asking to get hit.
Punch that up here. Oh, somebody was turning left.
This lady is just flat out impatient and tries to go on the wrong side of the road. It didn't work out so well for her. Lady in front of us here is texting. And this lady is too busy texting to turn right on red. Got another one that won't turn right on red. And yet another. And another.
75,000 on gas and groceries and prescriptions and prescriptions with all green fees.
When he has one opportunity, we're not going to get to turn if he doesn't go.
And then their IRAs and 401ks run out before they do. And that's why people are in danger about living with their money.
Please turn.
The money you put in, but during the...
I hope that's an important text.
Yuri, get ready for the phone call. All right, so if you're a friend of Yuri's, let him know that we were just talking about it. And it's going.
This is where I started narrating our videos back in the day. Sounded like I had a stuffy nose. This driver is refusing to turn right on red, even though there is no approaching traffic.
Go!
We're really on a roll here with people not turning right on red until being honked at. But this one gets a lot of honks. Back to an illegal left turner for a change. Luckily, the light goes green. My narration sounded a bit forced back then. Tweedledum and Tweedledummer are facing a no pedestrian crossing sign. Not only do they ignore it, they cross when our light goes green. Oh, come on. So much for intelligent life on Earth. God, did you have to do that?
It's not the role of the FBI to, make
green. Once again from this other angle. This time, it's an idiot stopped in the intersection. I guess putting his vehicle in reverse never crossed his mind. And back to some illegal left turners. This is an epic example of the chaos created when two complete morons meet. Ella, the hella incompetent drunk tard, is waiting to turn left. But she has a no left turn sign. Just before we get our green arrow, this utter dimwit, Simple Sally, stops in the intersection, blocking traffic behind her, and waves Ella to complete her illegal and dangerous turn, but only accomplishes making the situation chaotic by being nice. Can't believe he's trying to... Oh, she's actually waving him to go. You can't do that. Go, 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 go. Oh, he's turning. He's going the other way now. This act of kindness by giving up right-of-way also prompted some honking behind us. Go, 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 go. Those two drivers clearly got their licenses out of their butt cracks. A little reading comprehension goes a long way, unless you're oblivious Oliver.
Just like
go left.
Well, that worked. Here we have a tourist on vacation whose common sense and brain processing are also on vacation. Somebody's getting honked at for trying to turn left. Thankfully, he abandons his plan. If this leaves you not believing in human perseverance, you clearly haven't seen an addicted smoker trying to use a broken lighter. What's about to unfold is as painful as using splintered wood as a substitute for toilet paper.
Let's hope it never comes to that.
Right. The man in this work truck at the front of the line is waiting to turn left. But the stupidity is not limited to just him.
This fragile snowflake princess gets upset by the honking.
I guess her time isn't valuable and doesn't mind just sitting here forever waiting for him to make the impossible turn.
Or she's too stupid to realize what's going on and thinks they're all honking at her.
Or she's one of those people that gets offended on behalf of others for some imaginary injustice. The guy in the work truck finally gets the clue, and we've all been freed from the chains of his ignorance.
Clueless, clumsy Clyde is on vacation.
His brain and common sense are also on vacation, and unfortunately not all at the same place. My parents always taught me to put things back where they belong, so I'm about to put this idiot in his place. Can't turn left there, you gotta turn right. I'm not in a hurry, so let's pull over somewhere and see if he ever takes the hint. See if he tries to turn left. I'm gonna sit here and see if he still tries it.
Ah, good.
Birdbrain Brenda ignores a right turn only sign. You see, when we get a green left arrow, she'll get a green right arrow at the same time, hence no left turn. Let's see if honking and pointing gets a message across. She's very slow to react, but her one brain cell kicks in and finally comes to her senses. The guy at the front of the line towing farm equipment stops way back from the limit line, to the point other drivers start taking advantage of all that space he's leaving. And he's also not proceeding right on red, basically just sitting there holding us all up. He was just sitting there with nobody in front of him. He's even slow to react to the green light. Then this Harvard graduate, who's clearly on his way to getting a PhD, fails to notice all the obvious clues that this is a right turn only. So I honk, while frantically pointing to the right. The rules of the road do come with a set of instructions, but unfortunately, that guy got his from IKEA, written in gibberish. This lady stops on the green light. This traffic snarl is messier than someone's underwear after eating from that unsanctioned taco truck behind that row of overflowing porta potties down the street. Moron number 1 is partially blocking the oncoming lane. And moron number 2, who you can't see yet, and whose driving is number 2, is at the front of the line, waiting to make an illegal and nearly impossible left turn. So he's holding everyone up. Calm down, Karen. This isn't about you. Now back to the first moron as someone tries to get by. And back to the second moron. There's our culprit, finally taking the hint. Seriously, Karen, we weren't honking at you. To make things as painful as a cheap circumcision, this clueless crotch wipe is initially determined to make that illegal left turn, despite his seeing numerous cars turning across his path. He doubles down as a clownish dolt by getting pissed off at us for pressuring him to obey the right turn only sign. His attitude was about as bad as $5 footlong penis jokes. Tim the Fool Man Taylor is waiting to make the impossible left turn and is missing chances to do the right thing and turn right. The moron finally gets the clue. But Weed Breath Wesley doesn't get the clue. We're honking and motioning to the right. Tony Bennett left his heart in San Francisco, but Wesley left his brain in the bathroom after his morning wank. Here we are again at the no left turn intersection. Well, no left turn for them. I have a green left arrow at the same time Olga the Ulcer has a green right arrow, hence no left turns being allowed for her direction. But she doesn't take a hint between the sign and cars turning across her intended path, though she eventually takes the hint and goes right like she should have to begin with. Entitled Egghead Erica is gonna try the same thing at the same spot. She gets a green right arrow when they get a left green arrow, but sits there blocking traffic behind her, until she finally gives up and goes the correct way. I would rather suck a urinal cake than deal with people like this. Every so often, you get a Lester the manure ingester that ignores the right turn only and tries to turn left. Not only did today's Lester the manure ingester make the left turn, he straight up just runs the red light. I'm not sure if he has a license to drive, but he certainly has a license to be a douchebag. Off camera, a driver turning right is stopped on a green right arrow and gets honked at. Then when the green arrow expires and goes red, intoxicated Ian runs it. Like a fart in a fan factory, Crackhead Kathy's family members really get around. Oh no, why is this guy just sitting? There's nobody coming.
Idiot.
Nobody coming. Oh, God, we're just gonna be sitting here forever. The driver at the front of the line is waiting to make an illegal left turn instead of turning right on red. Lots of opportunities to turn right and let the rest of us get on with our lives. Even when the light goes green, they're still sitting there trying to turn left.
Come on, let's go.
But eventually they get the clue and turn right, like they should have minutes ago. I think it's safe to say the 60s fried their brain. I'm pretty sure that's not the place to cross, you idiots. The honking finally convinces him that he can't turn left there.
Viagra is not the answer for your problem. I know you think it is, but Viagra has horrible side effects, and for most men, the longer you're on it, Viagra is not a curative medication.
Why are you stopping for the green light? I don't know why we were just sitting there.
The moron at the front of the line is holding up traffic, waiting to make the impossible and forbidden left turn. He finally takes the hint, but Daniel Doofus here did not take the hint, and he himself wants to make the impossible left. He's just not catching on because his one brain cell took a permanent vacation. It's not until we got the green right arrow that he finally understood. This was more painful than getting one's wrinkleberries caught in the zipper. Same shit, different day. In fact, same exact intersection, same attempted left turn, but this time we're coming from a different direction. Let's tell him.
Can't turn left there. No left turn.
But this ding-dong just does something else he's not supposed to. Instead of turning right, he makes an illegal U-turn and gets in the way of turning traffic that has a right-of-way. Lifetime bus passes never sounded so good. Dismal Ditzy Daisy at the front of the line is holding up traffic in order to make an illegal left turn. And finally turns right. But dum-dum Dopey Darla in the white pickup truck doesn't fully understand the situation and gets extremely angered by the honking. She yells to defend this stupid driver.
Hey! Turn left!
She's trying to turn left. Yeah, lady, that's the issue. Mind your own business if you don't have all the facts. Once again, we find ourselves at the same intersection with the same problem. And once again, this turd at the front of the line is clogging things up by waiting to make the impossible left. Not even a plunger can clear this turd. He finally turns right. He's a contestant for America's Got Shit for Brains.
Great, we missed the light, or I missed the light because of this idiot.
And here we have a couple of red light runners.
He ran it. He's just gonna run it.
I almost never yell out the window at people, and haven't for years. But today, this group of morons gets an earful after each of their single and lonely brain cells turn off. Jaywalking is so pedestrian, but I digress. They wait like they're supposed to, for now. But as soon as we get a green arrow, which means these pedestrians are facing a do not walk signal, and that's when they decide to illegally cross and disrupt the traffic flow.
Oh, come on.
Assholes. Wow.
Here comes the shaming.
Don't know what the fucking red hand means?
You guys are a bunch of fucking idiots. It says don't cross.
This guy's also illegally stopped in a red zone and starts moving right as I'm going by him, so I honk to let him know I'm there, and I stop to let him out. He stares me down for a long time for honking at him.
No left turn, jackass.
All right, there's no left turn here. See the sign? It says right turn only.
Really dangerous.
It's dangerous. Yeah.
It's Jack Offerson. He's ignoring the right turn only sign. We're pointing to the right while honking, but he doesn't take the hint. I completely disagree with my wife's reaction right here. She thinks he's trying to hit us or intimidate us, but I disagree. My opinion is we should have slipped by him on the right, but instead, my wife decides that this is the correct response. After he goes into the parking lot, he turns around and comes back out, presumably to attempt that left turn again, instead of just turning left somewhere else. He eats lead paint soup because the lead paint chips weren't enough when he was a kid. This clown isn't taking the hint as he gets honked at by multiple drivers.
Oh my. Look at that idiot back there.
This long line of traffic, all because he wasn't turning right on red earlier. Oh look, this same spot again. At least this one took the hint. Let's look at the bright side. Without stupid people, we would have nobody to laugh at. So next time you see a stupid person, thank them for their contribution. Do you think this group of pedestrians will be a problem? Darn right they will be. There's a sign over here prohibiting crossing. You're only allowed to cross up here and over here, that's it. And even then you have to obey the traffic signals for when to legally cross. But of course, dangerously delusional Delilah is going to cross right when our direction gets a protected turn arrow. All of these people must have gotten into the gene pool when the lifeguard wasn't looking.
Jackass, no go, no go.
Oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come. So be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.